If you're on a service-based business, you need quality leads every month to meet up your monthly sales targets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead generating campaign, and I'm also going to share with you the sales funnel I use to ensure that all my leads are quality leads while keeping my costs low. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Ayo, and on this channel I share practical marketing and sales tips that will help you make more sales and retain customers. And I also share with you business resources that will help your business grow. If this sounds like something good to you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because every Friday I drop new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please help me like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people. Set up a successful lead generating campaign. You're going to need 2 or 3 things depending on how you choose to structure your funnel. The first thing you need is a lead generating funnel, which I'm going to show you how to structure it. The next thing you need is an email autoresponder for your email marketing purposes. And then you need a messenger app. Depending on how you want to structure your funnel, you can choose to include your WhatsApp business. So let's look at your funnel. This is a simple lead generating funnel, and I'm going to explain it to you how it works. Give me a minute, let me zoom this. Yeah, this is better. As you can see, this is your Instagram and Facebook ads. Once people see your Instagram and Facebook ads, they click the ads and go to your opt-in page. At your opt-in page, this is where you collect their email, their name, and their number if it's important to you. Or make sure you limit your form entry to 2 or 3 things. Anything more than that will cause friction. So limit it to 2, at most 3. So their email, their name, and their phone number if it's important to you. After they have entered their details, they click on opt-in. Then they are sent to the thank you page. This is where you are going to install your lead event. This is where you are going to install the pixel for your lead event. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. Then for the extra step, like I said, you can choose to insert a button here that drives people directly to your messenger app. As you can see, there is a confirmation email sent to them immediately after they opt in and land on this thank you page. It triggers a mail. That's your email autoresponder triggers a mail as a confirmation mail. When they are confirmed, you set up an email sequence that will nurture them till they buy. As you are sending them this email, they are directed to a sales page for your core offer. For me, I always have something I'm selling behind the scenes, unless you just want to generate leads and you don't want to use it for anything, which is very, very wrong. You need to be intentional about your lead generating campaign. You are trying to sell something, so you need to generate leads to send them to a sales page or to send them to an offer. So make sure you create a sales page with an offer, and make sure your lead magnet is closely related to your core offer. So that's it. It's very simple. When they click the ads, they go to the opt-in page. When they enter their details, they are sent to a thank you page. When they land on your thank you page, you can choose to insert a button if you need this extra step to send them to your messenger, your WhatsApp messenger. And remember, when they opt in and they land on the thank you page, an email is triggered by your email autoresponder. Then the emails, you send them emails, like 7 or 6 emails, to constantly remind them of your core offer, and they'll be directed to a sales page where you're going to sell to them. If you want me to create a video on how to set up an email responder, let me know in the comment section and I will shoot that video. Once you are done with your autoresponder, setting up your funnel and setting up your autoresponder, the next thing you want to do is to create a lead generating app. You go to business.facebook.com. Again, if you don't know how to set up a business manager account, I have a video I created with this flyer. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Go and watch that video and learn how to set up your business manager account. So I'll come here Click on all tools. Select business ads manager. When your ads manager is fully loaded, come here, click on create. You see a lot of options. Choose a campaign objective. You are creating a lead generating campaign. So click on this and click on continue. So you name your lead generating campaign. Let's say lead. Whatever you want to name your campaign, that's up to you. So I'll scroll down. I'm not using campaign budget optimization, so I'll just click on that. Asset name. Keep mine very simple. Set one. Conversion location. We'll select websites. Remember, you need to set up a lead event. If you don't know how to set up a lead event and set up your pixel, watch this video, this thumbnail displaying on your screen. Go and watch this video. I will leave the link to the video in the description of this video. That video is going to show you how to set up your event and how to prioritize your events for iOS 14 update. So please go and watch that video so that you understand how to set up your pixel. So I'll scroll down. Remember, they're going to tell you to select a pixel. Select the pixel, then choose event. This is where you are going to see the event you've created, which is a lead event. As you can see, a lead event. I will select a lead event. So go and watch that video to know how to set up a pixel for your lead event. Make sure you watch that video. If you don't, you have issue here and you won't be able to track your conversions. So if I've selected that, I will set my budget at 2000 and to start with 2000 per day. Start and end date. Okay. Go down. So audience, this is the targeting aspect of the ads. This is where you're going to define who your lead generating campaign is for. Who do you want to target? If you want me to create a detailed video on targeting, audience targeting, let me know in the comment section and I will create that video for you. So I'll just choose maybe, say I want to target Lagos. First thing you want to do is to come to locations. Make sure you select people living in this location. Then come here. I want to target people in Ikeja. Always target the city. Lagos is too wide. Target the city. The age range. People from 25 to people from 25 to to 60 or let's say 50, depending on your target audience. Make sure you are clear on that. So advanced placement, I don't recommend advanced placement. Don't mind them. I say recommended. Just make sure you use manual placement. Select the platform now you want to use. If you are testing Facebook, make sure you unselect every other thing. Unselect every other thing. Test one platform first. If you want to test on Instagram, make sure you create a separate ad and test on Instagram. Don't try to test both platforms at the same time. Make sure you use each platform separately. Once you are done with that, you click on scroll down, click on next. You name your ad. Ad one. I like to keep mine very simple. This is where you are going to select your the Facebook page you want to use. Select the Facebook page you want to use here. You see a list of all your Facebook pages here. Select your Facebook page and go down. Creative source. This is where you are going to either manually upload your images or videos or use a catalog. Use a format. Are you going to use a carousel? Are you going to use a collection? Are you going to use a single image or video? In this case, you are using a single image or video. This is where you are going to add your media, add your image. Click on add image. We have a lot of images here. I'll just click just for demonstration purposes. And I'm going to ask you to optimize your images or your creatives. Click on next. Select all optimization and click on done. Once you've uploaded your creative, this is where you're going to type in your ad copy. Get creative with it. I already have some ad copy here, so I'll just copy and paste. When you type in your ad copy, just scroll down. So you're going to add an headline. Something very simple. You can say register here, sign up here. In call to action, I like to leave it at learn more. Destination, tell us where to send people immediately after they tap on your or click on your ad. This is just like the website. So you're going to come here and paste the website. That is the website to your landing page, to your opt-in page, which is this. This is your opt-in page. You're going to send them the link to your opt-in page, which connects to your thank you page and also triggers your email autoresponder. So you have to be very careful when setting things up so that you don't mess up your funnel. Once you include your website link, scroll down. Once you've inserted your link, just ignore all of this. The tracking, as you can see, portraitcave.com pixel ID, that means the pixel is active. So make sure you go and watch that video on how to set up your pixels. Once you are done, click on publish, and after some minutes Facebook is going to review your ad and it starts running. If you've watched to the end, please help me subscribe to the channel and like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people. If you are looking for a complete training on how to generate leads for your business, I will leave the link to send me a message on WhatsApp, or drop a comment and I will send you a message and show you how to get started immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.